Skylarking. The Jamaican people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience all over the world. Hitting on the real hard with the good beverage. Bless up to all of my Jamaicans. Bless up to all of my English Jamaicans. Bless up to all of my Chinese Jamaicans, Japanese Jamaicans all over the world. Big up on myself. Big up my Caribbean people all over the world. Skylarking. Come with me, my young audience. Let me teach you about music. This is called Horace, and this is amazing. This is still banging. This is still hot with coffee alongside coffee same way. Right now, this is still banging. Horace and the classic music. Hear me, my people. In the song, it say, if you keep on doing what you all are doing, you will end up in jail. Skylarking, my people, Skylarking. Yes, my people, you hear what I say? Skylarking is what youths do today. Instead of them work hard, honestly, to get their bread. You understand what I mean? By the sweat of your brow, you get your bread. You understand? Simple. By the sweat of your brow, you eat your food, so shall you eat. Why should a lazy man yam when time man who is working busy? You understand what I mean? I understand. Have it so hard to eat. Have it so hard to send their youth to school. Have it so hard to pay their fare for taxi or for petrol money for their car. You understand? Alright, what come up in the news recently, my people, my folks, my fanatics, my audience. Remember to leave on the comments and the likes on the thumbs. Definitely up over it. So, there's two little man that go and rob a phone. You understand? They are on a Zhang bike, and the man them call them Yang Yang. You understand? Because they're Chinese bikes, right? Anyway, the two men them on the bike. The two men are on the bike, my people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. You understand? Them go and rob one man of a S8. You understand? Them go rob the man of a S8, you know, it's a phone, you know, my people. You understand? I think it's a Samsung phone when you S8. And if me get it wrong, leave it in the comments. But in any case, the phone get robbed. When the two men them approach who the intended target to rob, Ross Clot is an undercover police to Ross Clot, the man them robbed the phone from. So guess what go on, you know, my people, after what they bad, them move to the blood cleat undercover police, rob the phone and gone. The undercover police call back up. Another few police come on the scene, or another one police come on the scene. And them turn them over. You understand what I mean? The two men were shot and killed over a phone. You understand? And hear this, my people, it deep. Because not only could the man them actually take the blood clot phone off of the man them have a 9mm pistol pan them to blood clot. Sitting like a Taurus. Have it pan them. You understand? Oh my God, to see the two strong man them just spread up on the bumbo clot floor like say. I lay down the man them, I lay down. You understand? Over blood clot phone, my people. So make we continue in the music. That's why you have to work honestly for your bread, and that's why when time Horace and they go, you know what that is? The pain. You understand? Of him trying to show the youth them that work honestly for your bread, but the youth them still want to rob, still want to steal, still want to murder people. This is not the way, my youths. You understand what I mean? This is not the way. You understand? Me I tell you, this is not the way. If you keep on doing what you all are doing, you're not going to end up in a jail. You understand? Stop the Skylarking. You understand? People don't leave in the comments and the likes and all of that about the selection of the music when we use, cause the message is in the song. You understand? And if one thinks so, you can go on out there and rob people and kill people and this and that and just keep getting away with it, it not gonna work. You understand? Skylarking. You understand? Stop the Skylarking. Go do some farming. You understand? Stop the Skylarking. Do farming instead of Skylarking. Do painting and decorating instead of Skylarking. Do plumbing instead of Skylarking. Because see them now, the two big strong man them go rob somebody a phone, and today they never know say at the end of them robbing spree today. They never know that. Because some man feel like say they have a gun on them, they have 2 life. You understand? And even if you have a rocket launcher, you understand? Even if you have a gun when you tried that, one of the biggest, baddest gun on planet Earth, you understand? It don't make no man immune. No man is immortal. Every man have 1 life. You understand? A little work is what the elder Horace and they say. Yo, right now, I don't want nobody even come say, I miss this. I take it from the elder. You understand? Me take it from the elder, and me expect the younger ones to take it from me as their elder. You understand what I'm saying? Stop the blood clot Skylarking or not go dead out in the middle of the blood clot street. And when they dead out in the middle of the blood clot street, no one now go care neither. This is not like a case of where an innocent person get shot down in the street and everybody going to help. In this case, nobody now come help you. All the time you wriggle with bullet in your belly on the ground, people now come help you. You understand what I mean, yeah? Some people are so wicked, they shall run to the tree and there be no tree. They shall run to the sky, there be no sky. Run to the river, there be no river. You know what that mean? It was bad to the river, bad to the sky, bad to the rock. So there is no abiding city. There is no safe place. Anyway, my people, hitting on the real agricultural beverage. Tell me what you think about this. You understand? Tell me what you think about this thing. My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience, hitting on the real agricultural beverage. You know me do me thing. And me I say, yo, you them fi stop the what? Skylarking. Stop it. You understand? You hear what the next part of the song say? Begging you a 1 cent, sir. Begging you a 5 cent, sir. That doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. You understand? And if you keep on doing what you know how to do, robbing, stealing, cheating, and killing innocent blood clot people in the marketplace, you're not going to end up in a blood clot jail, or worse, in a blood clot, a coffin, or worse, in a hell pit. You understand? Because remember, say hell did they, you know. You understand? I'm in a business where nobody wants to say, "Jah live," and hell did they for blood cleat some people, but do some unforgivable blood cleat things. Their hell is on right here on earth. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Jah know, my people. You know what I mean? They hate to see life get wasted like that over a little thing like a phone. But the man them end up all have gun and all them sitting upon them to blood clot. So tell me one thing. You understand? Did the officials do a good job on this one? You understand? No innocent person was killed or injured. It's just the suspects and the criminals in the crime and the yang. Wanna tell me what you think about this thing, my people? You understand what I mean, yeah? Because it's getting from bad to worse, from worse to bad. But them say it have to get bad and worse before it get better. So is this it getting better now? Is this the police them say, yo, we have enough of this bullshit? Is this enough? The community say we have enough of this bullshit? Is this the government say they have enough of this bullshit? So we see how it play out by people. You understand what I'm saying? And also we hear some most wanted man get friggin', you understand, get killed off by the armed forces. The armed forces them vex and gone up them also. Because guess what now? Too much soldier blood clot dead. You understand what I mean, yeah? Too much good bomber clot people are dead. You understand what I mean, yeah? And at them look come and what things said they can just ride round. Go in a people place, take what they want, kill who they want kill, rape, loot, steal and shoot and do what the fuck they want. They can't do that to the beautiful island of Jamaica. They can't do that at all. You understand? One bad apple spoil the whole bunch, so we have to get rid of them bad apple. You understand? So Jamaica can be the paradise that I know that it is. Because I know that the majority of the people down there are good people. And the good people them under pressure. You understand what I mean? And the good people them lashing out now. And that's why these things are happening. You understand? The whole man them with the gun them run around the blood clot place. When the time soon blood clot come, you understand? Kill a man today, you can't kill him tomorrow. Remember that. But remember, you understand? There is people who is left grieving and them thing there. But anyway, we're gonna step on the point, people. Wanna think about the 2 youth them dead over a blood clot, they see it. Phone. You understand? Youths you know, loud the robbing, loud the stealing. Jamaica too dangerous. No phone run up on people so easy. You understand? Everybody have gun. So gunman have a mind. Everybody a gunman now. You understand? Everybody afraid of guns, so everybody make sure so they are one. You understand what I mean, yeah? So straight, you understand, we want Jamaica to be a blood clot better place. You understand? And too much blood clot guns in town. They run